I really think to be effective in providing healthcare, you can't do that without understanding that people come to the clinic or to their doctor with a whole host of other things on their back. They have poverty issues, they have personal issues, and just addressing the medical issue that they have isn't going to get that person to where they need to be to have a better quality of life.
Different folks have different resources. Those gaps in legal resources can be just as profound and telling for patients' health as difficulty getting them needed medical services.
Every low-income person in the United States has an average of 2 to 3 legal issues that are unmet. Most of these folks don't recognize that their legal issues are legal in nature, so they're not even seeking out those legal services themselves.
Medical Legal Partnership is a model where we integrate legal professionals into the healthcare setting. At its most basic level, it's like a provider writing a prescription for a referral for legal services.
That partnership allows you to address these upstream issues for which lack of basic legal rights affect people's health.
I have a traumatic brain injury, so I'm not able to deal with the activities that disability interferes with. And so housing became an enormous issue, and I got taken in by an organization that supposedly helps people and got slotted into a property owned by them, and there was so many things wrong with this place. And so for 3 years, I was not permitted to sleep. There was no hot water. I was physically attacked, under constant torment and harassment, and the director of that company dared me to sue him. And I know that if I sue a landlord, I can't move. After I gave notice, my previous landlord tried to evict me, and the eviction wouldn't take effect until after I was moved out. But the effect that it would have was have me be removed from the Section 8 program, and then I would be homeless. Homeless with TBI, with cancer. You know, I mean, that would be it. That's over. If it hadn't have been for MLP, and it's not an exaggeration, I would probably be dead now. Probably would. So it was a real lifesaver for me.
We were able to step in and help her get that eviction set aside so she was able to deal with the safety issues in her current situation and then move into a situation that was much better for her long term. And that had this trickle-down effect of reducing anxiety, stress, hopefully, you know, helping her with her day-to-day activities, and just being stable and able to do what matters most to her.
I'd forgotten what it felt like to not be hypervigilant and terrified. So I feel safe. I hear laughter. There's sunlight. I'm free to come and go. I can now start to move forward where before it was just a matter of not dying. My entire life was about not dying today. So now I have a life.
We have not talked to anyone in the healthcare setting that hasn't wanted this immediately upon understanding the concept. And the legal community is really supportive of what we're doing. We've run into numerous attorneys in private practice who have offered to give pro bono assistance to clients if it's outside of our scope of competency. So we've had overwhelming support from basically every area touched by MLP, through the clients, through the healthcare team, the legal teams, and ancillary services too.